Hey everyone, do you need to install or replace the blade on your Ryobi circular saw? Well, let me show you how. And the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure the battery is removed so there's no power going to the saw. Then we'll remove the Allen wrench stored on the saw. We'll use it to loosen or remove the center bolt so we can install the blade. Next, we'll press and hold the spindle lock to keep the blade from spinning while loosening the center bolt. And one thing to remember, this bolt loosens by turning it clockwise, not counterclockwise like most bolts. Once the center bolt is removed, take out the outer washer, and this will give you enough room to install the saw blade. Now we'll remove the protective cover and then slide the blade onto the arbor. With our blade in place, we reinstall the outer washer and the center bolt. And remember, this one tightens counterclockwise, not the usual righty-tighty. As you tighten the bolt, press and hold the spindle lock again to keep the blade from turning. Now you can fully tighten the bolt. And that's it. You've successfully installed a new blade on your Ryobi circular saw. Oh yeah, and don't forget to put the Allen wrench back in the storage compartment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.